A 5-story waterfall of blood-red liquid pours from a glacier in one of Earth's coldest deserts. Why is Antarctica bleeding? By the end of this, you will understand why this frozen wound in the ice may be humanity's clearest map to finding life on another world. The water running down that red face has been sealed inside the glacier for 1.5 million years, moving through total isolation before today. Scientists who first saw it in 1911 assumed red algae was staining the ice. The real answer turned out to be something far stranger. Blood Falls sits in Antarctica's McMurdo Dry valleys, cold, arid, almost nothing alive, no ice sheet, just bare brown rock under a stark polar sky. Under Taylor Glacier, about 400 meters below the surface, there is a liquid lake that by every simple rule of physics should be solid ice. It stays liquid at -5 degrees Celsius because it is 3 times salter than seawater. Salt lowers the freezing point and keeps the brine permanently fluid. For 1.5 million years, that salt water has had zero contact with the atmosphere, no sunlight, and no nutrients from the surface above. So you might wonder, could anything possibly survive in a freezing, sealed, lightless brine for that long, and if so, how? When researchers drilled down and pulled out water samples, they found bacteria, alive and metabolically active, in conditions considered lethal. These bacteria do not photosynthesize, there is no light to use, so instead they have evolved to breathe iron. Dissolved iron ions in the brine serve as the final electron acceptor. The bacteria reduce ferric iron to ferrous, running a cycle that requires no oxygen at all. When the iron-loaded brine cracks through a fissure and hits open air, it reacts with oxygen instantly, the same chemistry that turns a nail red with rust. That is what the blood is, dissolved iron oxide staining 5 stories of ancient ice, broadcasting a chemical signal from a world sealed inside. Here is where it gets genuinely strange. That ecosystem has run sealed for 1.5 million years, recycling the same iron chemistry with nothing entering. If life can run for that long inside a frozen glacier, you start to wonder, where else in the solar system is this happening right now? Europa, Jupiter's ice-covered moon, holds a liquid ocean beneath miles of ice, with iron-rich rock on its floor, the same ingredients Antarctica just proved can host life. Enceladus, Saturn's moon, vents actual liquid water into space from beneath its ice, confirming a warm active ocean that makes astrobiologists barely able to contain themselves. Blood Falls is proof that life needs neither sunlight, nor oxygen, nor the surface of a planet, 3 assumptions we held until this glacier proved them wrong. You are sitting in conditions so carefully calibrated for life, warm air, steady light, breathable oxygen, that your body barely has to fight to exist. The deepest message here is not about bacteria. Life does not wait for perfect conditions, it finds a way with whatever it has been given. Somewhere beneath a moon you will never visit, something may be breathing iron right now. The universe has been running that experiment since long before we could ask. Follow Science Explained daily for more.